Ever tried extracting text from a PDF and nothing came back? Let's try to fix that in SwiftUI, including scanning PDFs using OCR. So we've built the extraction engine, but right now there's no UI. In this episode, we'll be turning it into a real SwiftUI app, importing PDFs, extracting text and actually displaying the results. So the first thing we need to do is to add one of the features or functions. The first feature or function that we will add is the info pill, which looks like this. It will display the amount of pages that the actual PDF contains. I'll just copy and paste some code from the clipboard and then paste it into the content view. The content view is the main screen. It owns the UI state. It reacts to the import and export actions and decides which sections to show. We also need to import a few frameworks. Which is uniform type identifier, which is used for type support like PDFs and plain text. I'll just copy some more code from the clipboard. I'll now delete the text element and then copy and paste the navigation stack and the Z stack, and then I'll type and explain the following. Forgotten the comma. I'm giving the screen a soft gradient background so the UI feels a bit more polished, as you can see within the preview. We next need to add our scroll view. that will also include the VStack, So the next thing we need to do is to add our hero card. The purpose of the hero card is to enable this display to be visible on the screen, which will include the following text: extract text from PDFs, and also this text here as well. So this is our computer property. And that should be a capital V for the view. I'll just copy some code from the clipboard. And then remove the following bracket. Let's see if the preview works. It compiles, so we probably have to call something. Anyway, so this top card gives a user a quick summary of what the app does and a couple of useful stats, as I showed earlier in this image. So what we need to do, we need to call that view, the hero card view. So we have to go back into our scroll view to call that view. The same thing applies for the action card. We have to create another view for that. As you can see, the preview has been updated now to show what we just added. I'll just copy and paste the action card view and then explain it afterwards. The action card This card will enable the user to share, import and export text and documents to other applications. And these extra actions only appear once we've actually extracted some text. So the next thing we need to do is to call the action card so that we can display the view or show the view within the preview. In the next episode, we will continue to implement the remainder of the application.